What's up everyone? Today we have this. It's a wall socket that has been destroyed. And we're going to be replacing the plate that covers it. So first step is to remove the old one. Done. Ooh, not sure if it's normal for it to pop out like that. But I think it's fine. Anyway, here we have our new one. Got it on Amazon. Link in description below. Should work with most sockets that look like this. I mean, if you're in the US and have a socket in your house, it should work. So line it up like that. It doesn't matter which way you put it on. A bit off to the left, so just adjust it. Now, just tighten it down. And you're good. You just replaced the socket plate, wall outlet cover, and now plug whatever you had plugged in back in, you know. There you go. It's been fixed. You can throw away the old one, as I wouldn't want to keep this anyway. Yeah, that's it for this video. It's very short, I know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, link is in the description for this exact one.